In this video, we bring to you an amazing family home built using shipping containers, creating 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and open plan living, listed for $700,000 US. Inspired by nature, this unique home was built to intentionally fit together nicely with the property. Constructed using shipping containers, this home offers warmth as well as function, creating 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and open plan living with bright, open, large indoor spaces. The main entrance opens up into a large, high-ceilinged, open-plan living space. From the entrance, there is a striking, stunning kitchen. The kitchen has enough counter space for simultaneous work, distinct appliances, and sophisticated finishes. This kitchen space is decked out with stainless steel appliances, a center island which can also serve as a breakfast counter, under the counter and overhead storage cabinets, granite countertops, and windows that light up the sink space, creating an amazing light-filled kitchen. In one corner of the living area is a classy dining area, big enough to sit 4 or 6, depending on configuration. Past the kitchen is a cozy lounge space furnished with a classy and modern set of seats defined with a plush area rug. The living space also features a wood-burning stove that keeps the house warm during colder months. The large windows in the living space not only offer fantastic outdoor views but also revamp the interior space in a spectacular way. The large glass doors open onto a large outdoor deck, creating a beautiful indoor-outdoor experience. From the living area is a splendid guest bathroom fitted with everything you need. The ground floor also accommodates a laundry alcove. The convenience of having a primary bedroom and an ensuite bathroom on the main floor makes navigating the stairs a non-necessity. The spacious master bedroom is fitted with a comfortable queen bed, beautified with lots of pillows. Large glass doors in the master bedroom flood the indoor space with natural light, opening up the room to the outdoors. It is amazing waking up to the sounds and the views of the beautiful trees every morning. The master bedroom is serviced by a luxurious master bathroom. The bathroom is fitted with fully tiled shower cubicle, double vanity with plenty of built-ins, and large mirrors that make the space even more appealing. In addition, the master bedroom also features a large walk-in closet. The upstairs boasts a spacious great room fitted with sophisticated seats and decor, as well as additional bedrooms, with 1 bedroom currently serving as a home office and a full bathroom. The interior walls are painted in white, including the cabinetry, creating a sense of openness awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows, killing any claustrophobic feel associated with shipping container spaces. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible from outside and are given a beautiful shade of color which merges nicely with the vegetative landscape. Would you buy this amazing house for $700,000 US? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You're encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.